Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Dodo NBN modem. First, let's identify the key components in your Dodo NBN kit. You should have your Dodo modem, its power adapter, and at least one Ethernet cable. Also, locate your NBN connection box or the NBN wall socket, usually found where your internet enters the home. Make sure you have a free power outlet nearby for your modem. This initial check ensures you have everything needed for a smooth setup. Now, let's connect your Dodo modem to the NBN network. Take one of the provided Ethernet cables. Connect one end into the UNID 1 port on your NBN co connection box. If you have a wall socket, plug it in there. Then, connect the other end of that same Ethernet cable into the blue WAN port on the back of your Dodo modem. Listen for a click to confirm a secure connection. This establishes the vital link to the national broadband network. With the network cable connected, it's time to power up your Dodo modem. Take the power adapter and plug its small end into the power input on the back of your modem. Then, plug the larger end into a wall power outlet. If your modem has a power button, press it to turn the device on. Now, give your modem a few minutes, typically 3 to 5 minutes, to boot up and establish its connection. Watch for the indicator lights to become steady. Finally, let's get your devices online. You can connect wirelessly by finding your Dodo Wi-Fi network name and entering the password, both usually found on a sticker on your modem. For a wired connection, simply plug an Ethernet cable from your computer into any yellow LAN port on the modem. Open a web browser and try visiting a website. If you experience any issues, try restarting your modem or contact Dodo support for assistance. Enjoy your Dodo NBN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.